Hi guys, my name is Rupin. We guys are here in Aram Nagar. This is the entry point. Seems very harmless, seems very normal. But there are so many places where actors come, directors come, writers come to fulfill their dreams. This is where it all begins pretty much. Let me take you inside. So this is almost central Aram Nagar. Pretty much every second house that you see around me, casting is happening for actors here on a daily basis. Right behind me over there is Casting Bay. There's something happening over there as well. This one area, can you imagine? Maybe 20 odd houses, and on a daily basis, 10 to 15 houses have auditions happening every single day. And you find established actors, struggling actors, writers, dancers, singers in this very compound. Behind me is Casting Bay. These guys have done incredible projects for Netflix, Amazon Prime, different OTT platforms, movies. They've done TVF as well. This is where actors come and audition for parts. So now you know. Another one of the recognized brands in casting. This is TPW, The Perfect Way. They have done incredible projects across OTT platforms. As you can see, this is what they have in store for you this month. Yeah, one of the many big casting houses. Let's take it to another. This is the iconic Mukesh Chhabra Casting Company. Fun fact, I have also done a workshop with Mukesh Chhabra here. It was a 3-week workshop. It was incredible. But just look at the body of work around you. It's incredible how many hits, how many amazing stories have been told with actors who've come through these doors, auditioned for projects. It's mind-boggling. The quality and the quantum of work, exceptional. This is where you go and do your open introductions, that side. I am with
Robin.
Robin has been with Mukesh Chhabra for how many years?
11.
11 years. अपना जर्नी बताओ थोड़ा यार.
Yeah, bus. I am from Jaipur. Came to Mukesh sir in 2013, and then rest is history.
What's it like, you know, everyday actors coming, लोग अपने ख्वाब, अपने सपने लेकर आते हैं यहाँ पर.
यार, what is it like? Like how किस चीज़ को
Like in the sense कि, you know, अब हर कोई सोचता है कि, you know, इस रोल के मैं perfect हूँ, but then you have a certain idea.
एक चीज़ है कि 30,000 लोग रोज आते हैं बॉम्बे.
30,000 लोग आते हैं रोज.
सिर्फ एक्टिंग के लिए.
सिर्फ एक्टिंग के लिए. On a daily basis.
I was working with a company called FTI पहले, so FTC.
FTC.
Sunil Shetty.
हाँ.
Sir, तो मतलब it was like we were only the part.
सही में था F the couch.
हाँ वो. Sir was also involved in Mukesh sir. So तब they told me that इतने लोग actors, अब you also know कितने उनमें से बनते हैं.
Exactly.
तो मैं तो यही बोलता हूँ कि हमेशा बैकअप रखो. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ सब कुछ छोड़ के वो सब फिल्मी बातें हैं. ये असल में सब कुछ पीछे भी देखो घर पे.
Exactly. हाँ, I know. But casting में आने का कैसे ख्याल आया? How did you think कि मैं?
कास्टिंग में नहीं ख्याल है. मैंने कभी कोई फिल्म स्कूल या कुछ नहीं पढ़ा. I loved films. सिनेमा पसंद था. तो ये भी नहीं था कि एक्टिंग ही बॉम्बे जाके एक्टर बनना, ये नहीं था. ये था कि बस उसके इर्द गिर्द सिनेमा के आसपास रहना, पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. तो आया सर के पास, आया सर बोलते इंटर्नशिप कर. अच्छा लग गया, उनको भी लगा कि हाँ सही काम कर रहे हैं. एंड देन बस यही हूँ तब से.
थोड़ा मुश्किल नहीं होता when actors keep calling you या रॉबिन क्या हुआ उस एड का, क्या हुआ उस मूवी का?
नहीं, उससे ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है जब आप यहाँ इन्हीं गलियों में रामनगर में खड़े हो, घूम रहे हो, जैसे मैं आपके साथ कर रहा हूँ. तो कोई बहुत ऐसे आता है और बोलता है कि यार कुछ है, और वो जना मुझे रोज़ एक्चुअली मुझे भी बुरा लग रहा होता है. बट रिक्वायरमेंट ही नहीं होती, कैसे फुलफ़िल करूँगा. मेरे पास जो काम है, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अभी एक ऐड कर रहा हूँ, उसमें मेरे को लड़कियाँ चाहिए, तो मैं किसी एक्टर को कैसे कास्ट करूँ, किसी लड़के को कैसे कास्ट करूँ. यू ऑल्सो नो कि एज बाउंड होती है.
बहुत मुश्किल है यार, बहुत मुश्किल है. आई मीन एंड सो मच इज लक बाउंड एज वेल, आई फील.
एब्सोल्युटली.
यू हैव टू बी एट द राइट प्लेस एट द राइट टाइम. अब अगर मैं वापस दिल्ली चला गया, लेकिन यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट है कि आप यहाँ पे आओ, ऑडिशन दो, मैं नहीं है तो वो रोल गया. एंड दैट रोल कैन बी लाइफ चेंजिंग, कैन बी डिफाइनिंग. सो
इट इज.
Hey, hi, we are with?
Himani Peshawariya.
Okay. How long have you been in this line?
In this office, it's been 8-9 months, and I'm in this line about 3 years.
3 years? How did you decide to come and be part of this world?
It was, I think, always there in my mind. From my childhood, I guess my grandfather was also into this line. He never told anyone. But like
In this line as an
like,
actor the wo bhi?
he wasn't an actor, but he was like fascinated by this thing, this film and everything.
This world.
Yeah. Yeah.
And 8-9 months you've been with Mukesh Chhabra. How's the experience been?
It's pretty good. I'm learning a lot here, hanging with a lot of good people here. I'm a kind of person who shy away from like conversations and everything. And
There's no camera here.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
exactly, that you know about. We're just having a conversation.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ, अभी मुझे बताया था रोज 30 actors, 30 लोग आते हैं actors बनने के लिए. And then so many people audition for that one role.
Yeah.
How difficult is it? Sometimes तो आप बोल भी नहीं सकते, right? कि आपका audition अच्छा नहीं जा रहा. But then you still have to take that audition, and then they still ask you that कुछ है, ma'am, can we do something?
That is a very bad feeling when you know that they're not going to be selected, and then they still come with a hope कि
Yeah.
अच्छा we audition for that character, क्या
हाँ.
उसका क्या. I feel we need to tell them कि you can do better, but
Yeah.
it will be little rude, I guess. Then
Also time constraint, right? Because you have so many
you
people.
can't tell every single person that
करते रहो.
you can do this or
हाँ.
this was not good, or like yeah, you cannot tell.
Any tips that you want to give? Any suggestions you want to give to actors who come here?
I feel working on your craft is very important thing, and if you're like firm enough on what you want to do and you work hard towards it, you will get it one day. Like good things take time, but
Okay.
just keep working.
It's very difficult, right? Because आपकी उम्र निकल जाती है, आपको घर वालों का ख्याल रखना है, अपना पेट भरना है. बॉम्बे में रेंट इज सो डिफिकल्ट, एंड देन दैट वन रोल जहाँ यू आर एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट might never come, right? It's a very negative view of things, but it's difficult, right? I mean, we hear all these stories about success stories. You know, मैं आया था यहाँ ये बनने के लिए, I auditioned and now I'm just star and all that. But there are so many people जिनके बारे में लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता.
I feel if you work hard enough and if you are like really you want to do this, you will get it one day.
Okay.
If you're saying I've been here for like past 10 years, 15 years, and you are still on it, you will get it. And if you are not getting it, it's somewhere your fault. You are not working hard enough, or you're
Okay.
not working on yourself enough, or there's something
Yes.
that you need to change. And if you're doing it, you will get it one day.
And any other tips, like for example, अभी जैसे यहाँ मुकेश चावड़ा की casting हो रही है, there are maybe 20 different casting houses, right?
Yeah.
How do you know? How do you figure out where to go, what to do? ऐसा कुछ
I think you need to interact with more people.
yeah.
You can just meet once in a while. Is there anything going on for us? Like spamming them all the time, it is not also.
It's not cool. Don't spam.
Yeah.
You'll piss them off.
Yeah, that might piss them off.
Yeah.
But like you can go there once in a few months and
Yeah.
tell them of course they need to know that you're here as an actor,
Yeah.
you're working here. If you don't go to them, they will never know that
Yeah.
you exist. So you
Robin knows I exist now. He's back. One of the few known people who's back. But yeah. Yeah. Superb. Thank you so much for your time. Cheers.
Thank you.
That office over there is casting bay. Wedding filmer is here. We don't just have a casting, we also have the wedding filmer's office here. And if you turn to my right, there is Ambrosia Theatre Group, where they have acting classes happen on a regular basis. And you have a cute cat also there. Hi, cute cat. This has been insightful. I've been an actor for as long as I can remember. Talking to a few friends, some known faces, coming back to Mukesh Chhabra, where I did a 3-week workshop, learned so much about acting, met so many other actors, got inspired. I'm inspired again. This is where, as I said, all these dreams come true. You audition, you wait, you pray, and then if you're lucky, you become a star, a celebrity, an actor, more importantly. So I hope you liked this small little video which gives an insight into Aram Nagar, जहाँ आराम तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, काम ही काम है. जैसे हमने अभी हिमानी से बात करी, where she herself, being an actor, hasn't auditioned in the longest time because work is so much. 30,000 people on a daily basis come here to become actors. Crazy. But anyway, this is where it happens. I hope you liked our content. If you did, do share, like, follow, subscribe, do all the nice things, and leave a comment if you want to know more, if you have any other ideas as well. Okay? Rupan Pava signing off.